Discover June Homes 02143, a chic student haven crafted with modern taste, offering unmatched convenience, campus closeness, and a front row seat to Boston's buzz. These spacious studios and non-ensuites offer you your own room for privacy and a range of amenities for effortless living. Based on the unit you choose, you get to enjoy a warm bed for restful sleeps, a full-size desk for productive study sessions, roomy closet space to organize your style, a flat-screen TV for cinematic movie nights, and expert kitchen appliances for culinary convenience, along with your own room for extra privacy. The best part about moving in is that you're only moments from Harvard University and Lesley University on foot, making your trip to class a quick, easy, and healthy stroll. Get around the city with ease. Just catch a bus from Somerville Avenue or Elm Street, or hop on the subway at Gilman Square. Make your university chapter unforgettable. Find your spot at June Homes 02143 Boston, now on amberstudent.com.